Hey there! Today we're going to tackle an interesting problem involving monitoring the values of a struct in a C binary executed on a Linux machine. The issue at hand arises from the fact that we can't modify the binary code and need to find a way to track the struct's values using Python, despite ASLR being enabled. Now, let's delve into the solution to this problem. By utilizing Python, we can access the process information in the proc file system. The provided script defines a struct called location with three attributes, x, y, and z. It then reads the memory mappings of the process to locate the stack, calculates its size, and reads the stack bytes. Moving on to the script, it loops over the stack bytes, extracts chunks of data, and checks if they correspond to the location struct. Once a matching struct is found, it verifies if the z attribute equals 1337. Added for easier struct identification, and prints out the x, y, and z values. The script cleverly bypasses ASLR by directly reading and interpreting memory data. In summary, we've successfully devised a creative solution to monitor and extract values from a struct in a C binary without directly modifying the code. By leveraging Python and a systematic approach to reading process memory, we overcame the challenges posed by ASLR. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below. Who knew tracking struct values could be this fun? Thanks for watching.